Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this video is going to help you simplify an expression by distributing and combining like terms. It should help with the homework, which was the blue sheet given out on Tuesday, January 15th and Wednesday, January 16th. So this should help you with that, and it'll help prepare you for your quiz that you're going to have on Friday. I believe Friday's the 18th. So that should help with that stuff. So when you need to simplify an expression like this, the first thing that we need to do, if we remember PEMDAS, is we need to do what's in the parentheses first. But if you look, I can't combine 8x minus 4. Those are Skittles and M&Ms. They are not like terms. They don't go together. I don't have any exponents to worry about, so I need to do my multiplying and dividing, which means I need to multiply this 2 by both things inside this parenthesis. I don't really like looking at subtraction signs. I don't want to lose this negative, so I'm going to change this to plus a negative value. And now I'm ready to distribute. So I'm going to have 2 times 8x plus 2 times negative 4, and then plus 9. I do not distribute the 2 to the 9 because the 9 is not in the parentheses. So now all I have to do is some multiplying. So 2 times 8x is 16x. 2 times negative 4 is a negative 8. And then plus 9. So I've got these two like terms I can combine. A negative 8 plus 9 is 1. So my solution, or my answer, should be 16x plus 1. So if we look at another one, we have this crazy one, and again we're going to have to distribute this negative 3 into these parentheses here. I'm not going to distribute to the 4y minus 5 because they're not in parentheses. I'm also going to change all of my subtraction signs to plus negatives. So now I'm ready to distribute. I'll have negative 3 times 8y plus negative 3 times negative 2. And then the plus 4y plus negative 5 go along for the ride. So now I need to do some multiplying. Negative 3 times 8y is negative 24y. Negative 3 times negative 2 is a positive 6. And then I just have 4y and plus a negative 5. So now I just have to combine my like terms. Negative 24y plus 4y. It's going to give me a negative 20y. And 6 plus a negative 5 will give me plus 1. So my answer is negative 20y plus 1. We're going to look at 2 more. This guy, love this problem. A lot of people think that you have to add that 3 and the 5 together before you get started, which is not true. If you remember PEMDAS, we need to do this multiplying of the 5 through here before we do any adding. So we're going to distribute the 5. So the 3 is just going to tag along for the ride. We're not ready to do anything with him yet. So we'll have 5 times a negative 3x plus 5 times 7. That's a plus 5. So let's see. Now we got some multiplying to do. 5 times negative 3x is a negative 15x. And 5 times 7 is 35. And that 3 just goes along for the ride again. So I have 3 plus negative 15x plus 35. I have some like terms to combine. So 3 and 35 will be 38. So I have negative 15x plus 38 is the solution here. Last one. This guy. Alright, so I got 2 parentheses here. That's okay. I distribute the negative 2 to the first parenthesis and 3 to the second. So I'm going to write out all my work in one step. I'm not even going to multiply anything yet. I'm just going to write everything out. So I'll have negative 2 times 3x plus negative 2 times negative 4. And then I have plus 3 times x and 3 times 7. Now I'm ready to start multiplying. So negative 2 times 3x is negative 6x. Negative 2 times negative 4 is 8. 3 times x is 3x. 3 times 7 is 21. So now I just combine my like terms. I have negative 6x plus 3x Watch your signs. That'll be a negative 3x. And 8 plus 21 is 29. So these are 4 really good examples of combining like terms in the distributive property. They may be good ones to study. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask Ms. Sudame, Ms. Ryan, or Mrs. Fike.